Few days ago, a Hausa Fulani boy killed a thief man from Benue State in Port Harcourt City. The incident happened at Oil Mill Eleme Junction in Port Harcourt City. After the Hausa Fulani boy killed the thief man, traders from Benue State and Hausa Fulani people started fighting. And during that process, some Hausa Fulani people lost their lives. And after that, so many Hausa Fulani people from northern Nigeria started propagating that Igbos are killing Hausa people in River State. This ugly incident happened in Ikwerre land. And Ikwerre people are not coming online telling northerners that Igbos are not the people that committed that crime. Port Harcourt City is owned by Ikwerre people. Ikwerre people are Igbo speaking people. The people that fought with those Hausa Fulani people are Benue people. They fought those Hausa Fulani people because of their brother that was killed by that Hausa Fulani boy. When that incident happened, youths from Ikwerre land were angry, saying that how can Hausa Fulani people be killing people in Ikwerre land? So Ikwerre youths joined hands with those Benue people and they fought those Hausa Fulani people. Now, northerners are saying that Igbo people are killing Hausa Fulani people in River State. Did that incident happen in the southeast? No. Ikwerre is located in the south. The people that retaliated against Hausa Fulani people are not Igbo from the southeast, but Benue people and some Ikwerre youths. Hausa Fulani people in the north are saying on social media that they will start attacking Igbo in northern Nigeria. Obako Ikwerre is the socio-cultural organization of Ikwerre people. Why is it that Obako Ikwerre have not come out to clear the air, telling northerners that that incident does not concern Igbo? Northerners are now calling Ikwerre people Igbo people. Ikwerre people said that they are not Igbo people because of some selfish reasons. Now, something will not concern Igbo for southeast. Northerners just start to talk, say they want to attack Igbo for northern Nigeria. Ikwerre people, you people don't have shame. Something happened for una land. Instead of you people to come out and be telling northerners that now una land the thing happen. Say now una Ikwerre people and Benue youths retaliate, fight Hausa Fulani people where they on a land, where key person. Instead, as northerners start to the talk, say they go attack Igbo now, all of you kept quiet. You people don't have shame. Now only mouth on a get. When we say Ikwerre is Igbo, you will see so many Ikwerre people come online saying, we are not Igbo people. Any Igbo person will go catch, go call us Igbo. We go beat her, we go down like this. You don't reach northerners, so not free talk. The reason why you Ikwerre people are saying that you're not Igbos is because Igbo are being marginalized in Nigeria. So, because you don't want to be marginalized like Igbo in the southeast, you started saying that you are not Igbo. If to say power dey the hand of Igbo for Nigeria, Ikwerre people will be shouting online saying that they are Igbo people, they are Igbo people. Of course, nobody want to associate with people where they marginalize. Northerners know that Ikwerre people are Igbo people. This is why I'm telling people that if you are an Igbo person and you are saying that you are not Igbo, you are deceiving yourself. Northerners know that Ikwerre people are Igbo speaking people. They recognize Port Harcourt City as an Igbo city. And that is why they are saying that they will start attacking Igbo in the north. Some time ago, some Hausa Fulani people were caught in Uromi carrying guns. They were eliminated by Esan people. Did you see any northerner saying that Esan people are Igbo people, that they will start attacking Igbo in northern Nigeria? No. And that's because they know that Esan people are not Igbo people. They know that Esan don't speak the same language with Igbo. They know that Esan are separate people from Igbo. But the case with the one that happened recently in Ikwerre land is different. Northerners wants to start attacking Igbo from the southeast that are living in the north because of what happened in Ikwerre land. If to say this incident happened for Okwane land now, Northerners will say that they will start killing Igbo living in the north. And that is because Okwane people are Igbo people. Instead of Northerners to be saying that they will start attacking Ikwerre people in northern Nigeria. They started saying that they want to start attacking the Igbo. How the matter take concern the Igbo for southeast? This is why I said that if you be Igbo person, you dey talk say not be Igbo. Northerners see you as an Oswai. Because when you go start, now that time you go know say you be Igbo person. If they start to attacking the Igbo for northern Nigeria now, the whole somebody from Ikwerre, what is your name? You say your name is Wike. What is your name? You say your name is Amadi. Before you go talk finish, why am I be Pugonyo isi? Because they know that Ikwerre is Igbo. If they tell you are Igbo, you say no, you are not Igbo, you are from Ikwerre. Ozugbo isi adapuka wama be pu isi. Because they know that Ikwerre is Igbo. This is for Ikwerre people to know that do not see them as Igbo people. If to say this incident happen for southeast now, Northerners not go talk say now there are people there at fault for killing the thief man. If to say that southeast is happen, therefore don't start to dey killing Igbo for northern Nigeria. But now because the matter not happen for southeast, now why the matter dey like this? Obako Ikwerre, when we say that Ikwerre is Igbo, you Obako Ikwerre will come online saying Ikwerre is not Igbo, Ikwerre is this, Ikwerre is that, Ikwerre is from Bini, Ikwerre is this, Ikwerre is that. Now, when Northerners they talk say they want start attacking Igbo, Obako Ikwerre went ghost mode. Una not see him out talk because una dey fear the north. Every region that is Igbo that say that they are not Igbo. Now only to insult southeast they sabi. When it comes to them versus the north, they will not say anything. They're not going to even feel see mouth talk. Now only our southeast brothers they get mouth to come out online with their dirty mouth saying rubbish. We are not Igbo people start forcing us. You people are this, you people are that. Now we don't reach northerners. Or not see mouth talk. Lazy people. You will see so many Ikwerre people saying Ikwerre is from Bini. We Ikwerre people. We are from Bini. We are Bini people. We are not Igbo people. Now where this matter don't happen for Ikwerre, when Northerners they talk say they want start to attack Igbo. Bini people not fit come out and say Northerners leave Ikwerre people alone. No, Ikwerre is Bini. We will protect them at all costs. Bini people not see mouth talk. Ikwerre not see mouth talk. Bini not see mouth talk. Everything they on the head of Igbo. Where that incident happened in Uromi, Bini people started denying Esan people, saying Esan people are not Bini people. We don't know Esan people. No, Bini and Esan don't speak the same language. Oh, Esan is totally different from Bini. We don't have the same dressing. We don't have the same culture and tradition. They started saying it because they are so afraid of the north. The same Bini people that are saying that Esan people are their children, that they gave birth to Esan people, that Esan people are Bini people. As heat reach, Bini people start to talk say Esan people not be their brother. Say they don't know Esan people. Now when crisis go there, you go know who be your brother and who not be your brother. Now the same thing they happen to Ikwerre people now. Ohaneze Igbo are saying that what happened in Rivers State has nothing to do with Igbo. Yes, because they have to protect our brothers in the north. We know that Ikwerre people are saying that they are not Igbo people. But as this thing don't happen now, we not go deny Ikwerre people to say Ikwerre is not Igbo, may they carry their cross. So no. Blood is thicker than water. If our brothers they mumu, we go call them mumu. We go see draw them come close and make them know say we be one people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Ndi Ikwerre ain't chabu one day. Now lack of understanding, selfishness, greed. Now make Ikwerre people that talk say they not be Igbo. If not, Ikwerre people are 100% Igbos. They have no ancestral connection with Bini people. Ikwerre na Bini. As the heat done there now, Bini people not fit talk. It's because Ikwerre is Igbo. That is why Northerners are saying that they will start attacking Igbo in the north. If to say this will happen for Bayelsa State, Northerners not go talk say they will start to attacking Igbo in the north. Because they know that Bayelsa people are not Igbo people. Northerners, why is it that you people, all you know how to do is killing people? Nigeria is so messed up that Hausa Fulani people are moving up and down with dagger. If them a person just get issue, they don't bring a dagger, they will stab the person. In that same week, a Hausa Fulani boy stabbed an Ikwerre person to death. And that was why Ikwerre people started to protest, saying Hausa Fulani people should leave Rivers State. So many people from Rivers State have lost their lives to these Hausa Fulani people. Terrorists everywhere. Hausa Fulani people where they roam inside bush, that they kill people. The ones who stay inside town, that they kill people. You go see them dey sell pepper, onions, rice, beans. All of them are terrorists. Because when you and those people get issue, sometimes they don't bring out dagger, stab the person. Is that not an act of terrorism? How many times you don't hear say Igbo person stab Hausa Fulani person? In the north, Hausa Fulani people are stabbing people to death. In the south, they are stabbing people to death. And when we say that Hausa Fulani people are terrorists, you go see some Hausa people go come, they talk say, we Hausa people and Fulani people are separate people. Hausa people are peace-loving people. Hausa people are not killing people. It's Fulani that are killing people. Hausa Fulani people are the same people. Even if Hausa and Fulani people don't speak the same language, they don't understand each other's language. Both of them are the same. They have the same spirit of killing people. To kill person not be anything to them. Anywhere that they go, they carry dagger. If Hausa person kill person, Hausa people go start to talk say, na Fulani people do am. Una go carry everything they put for Fulani people head, and all of them are the same. Una not good to live with people. You people, your mindset is very bad. You people are the reason why Nigeria is not moving forward. Now because of the marginalization where you not as they marginalize Igbo for Southeast, now you make Ikwerre people they talk say they don't be Igbo people. Now, Northerners don't get issue with Ikwerre people. Ikwerre people not see much talk. They don't fit tell Northerners say, wetin happen now for Ikwerre land they happen. Oh, say we Ikwerre people we vex, eliminate some Hausa Fulani people. Una not see much talk am. Ndule, Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are our brothers. We Igbos, we will not deny Ikwerre people because they deny us. No. This is what we in the Nasobia and Igbo unification movement have been telling Ikwerre people for so long. We have been telling them that when you go get issues with the North, they will remind you that you Ikwerre people are Igbo people. And that is what they are doing now. They are saying that they will start attacking Igbo in the North. If they want to start attacking Igbo, they don't go to say, are you from Enugu State? Are you from Abia State? Are you from Ikwerre? No, they will start attacking everyone in the North that are speaking Igbo language. When we tell Ikwerre people that if an Ikwerre man comes out now and say that he wants to be the president of Nigeria, the only people that will vote for him are Igbo. Northerners will not vote for him. They will say, these Ikwerre people are Igbo people. They know. But those Ikwerre people that are saying, we are not Igbo people, we are on our own, we are Bini people, that's their sense where they no one get. No go allow them reason, no say, they be Igbo people. And so one Ikwerre man saying that he prefers to be with Hausa Fulani people than to be with Igbo people. Igbo people are greedy. Igbo people are selfish. They are this, they are that. How many times have you seen Igbo from Southeast stabbing Ikwerre people to death? None. Another incident for this last week wey pass so, Hausa Fulani person stab Ikwerre person from Higightor to death. Now that incident na make Ikwerre people dey protest Hausa Fulani must go. Not be this thief man and Hausa Fulani man incidents cause am. Hausa Fulani kill Ikwerre person. Now why they protest? Ikwerre people, na Igbo person from Southeast stab una pikin to death, no. But instead, that Ikwerre man said that he prefers to live with Hausa Fulani. Oswai. Your Igbo brothers wey no dey kill una, you dey talk say you not like them. Say that they greedy, say that they selfish, say they can't be trusted. The Hausa Fulani wey una like, na they kill una so. E not sure say una not get sense. Anyone that says that he prefers to coexist with Hausa Fulani people than to coexist with Igbo is an Oswai. That person is an animal in human form. All over the country, nobody go come and talk say, Igbo people, they kill us. Igbo people are killing Yoruba people. Igbo people are killing Ijaw people. Igbo people are killing Ikwerre people. You will never hear such a thing. Yet we see some Oswai from those places saying they prefer to coexist with Hausa Fulani than Igbo. Yeah, people everywhere. Northerners, people wey una go dey blame na Benue State people because na them and Hausa Fulani people na fight that fight for Port Harcourt City. Leave Igbo alone. Not be anything wey go happen. Una go start to call Igbo. We attack Igbo because Igbo are the easiest people for you people to attack in Nigeria. If you don't want Igbo in Nigeria, allow Igbo to go. Fulani people are killing Hausa people in northern Nigeria. You no go see Hausa people come and talk say they want divide Nigeria, make Fulani go, make Fulani leave them. They no go see mouth talk. But una Hausa Fulani people kill people for Port Harcourt. And as they can't kill una people back, una see mouth come online, they back like people. If una fellow terrorists kill una not go complain. But if una terrorist brother kill people, they can't kill una people back. Na Igbo, una go take the shine. Because Igbo are the most marginalized people in Nigeria. Anybody go feel match Igbo for head pass, nothing will happen. Ikwerre people, you people should open your eye and realize that you are Igbo people. See, as matter when concerning Igbo, they trend for Igbo head. They are threatening Igbo for what you people did in Port Harcourt. We are not Igbo, we are Bini. Where is Bini people to defend you people now? All those Bini bloggers that are claiming Ikwerre is Bini, how many of them are speaking up on the behalf of you Ikwerre people now? Now we in Igbo still they speak up for Ikwerre people. Those Ikwerre people that are saying Ikwerre is not Igbo, you people should wake up. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. If you people keep saying that you are not Igbo, you are just deceiving yourself. If you are an Ikwerre people and you say Ikwerre is not Igbo, Hausa Fulani people in the north are just seeing you as an Ozwai. They know that Ikwerre is Igbo. Ikwerre people, be proud of your Igbo identity. You people are denying your Igbo identity so that the north will not see you as Igbo, yet they are seeing you as Igbo. E not show say you not get sense. You Ikwerre people are saying that you are not Igbo, but northerners are seeing you as Igbos. Is that not enough reason for you people to understand that you are just disgracing yourselves? You Ikwerre people will be saying Ikwerre is a separate ethnic group from Igbo. Northerners are saying that Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Igbo bofu, Ishiagware.